Hey everyone, this is Stephen Casey Railpin here, and welcome to another model railroading video. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of another new locomotive. So this actually would have been my second locomotive of 2025 because, as you know, my first locomotive I got was the CSX Heritage Unit in the which is CSX 1976, the Conrail Heritage Unit, because I got that at the train show. But we have another locomotive I want to share you guys. So this is a little bit of a budget-friendly locomotive. As you can see, it's a Walthers Mainline. So you wonder what this is. Well, here it is, right here, right there. It is a Canadian National locomotive. So this is an EMD SD75I locomotive. So this is one of the recent, like, the SD70s and 75s that came out back in like the fall of 2024. So I was actually glad I was able to find one because I've always been wanting some more of CNs because add to my foreign power, because I have seen a couple of these SD75s in person before. So it'll be perfect as part of the CN fleet. So got that, and this also was an inspiration. I just want to give a shout out to one of my good friends who is KCMO Railfan for suggesting me to get one, so I finally got one. So there it is. So anyways, I really hope to get more Walthers Mainline locomotives because I hear that there's more interesting ones, like SC60 stand cabs are out, and also the next run of ES44s are also out as well. So I hope to get some of those in the future. Because, the fact that they are all budget friendly, they're affordable, so, and I'm trying to, and then, save up some money and buy something like, like less detailed and more budget friendly at the time. So, there it is. So I'm going to unbox this in front of you guys. So, basically you just have to box it to this side. So, there it is. Pull it out like that. And there it is. There's the locomotive inside, so sealed in, and there it is. So I'm gonna set the camera down so I can get it out for you. Okay, just trying to be very careful with this. And there it is, right there. Look at that. That is amazing. Wow. So I'll be sure to once it's out of the box, we'll begin to have a look at it. Alright, so here it is outside the box. So you can see it's actually very nicely detailed, even though it has no detail parts with it, because it doesn't have things like, it's got snowplow already installed, doesn't have MU hoses or train line hoses, it's got ditch lights, I believe they're LEDs, and this one has the headlights low mounted. So I'm really glad that Walthers Mainline does do their research to make their locomotives, although look affordable and budget friendly, and also more accurate, because they always do that, which is a very nice feature. But sometimes they usually don't add the rear ditch lights because some locos have those. So anyways, there's also no windshield wipers. There's no detail on the dome. Like because usually you would put like several PTC antennas on the top, and it's got a cab interior. It's got no sunshades. Trucks are really nicely done. The fuel tank, and there's the 3-chime horn. I believe every one of their 70s or 75s have this kind of horn. So depending on what variant you have, like which row number you have, they have different variety of horns. Because I believe I did see some videos of the real 5727, and I believe the real one has a P5 horn, so I'm not sure if I'll swap this out and put a P5 on it. Who knows? And then, as you know, lots of good detail in the back as well, and love the detail in the back as well. It's very nice, and I'm also really liking these couplers, which are the Protomax couplers, because I seem to like the Protomax and KD's best since they're more durable and reliable. And I think they were supposed to have rear ditch lights on CN. So, there's that. And look at the detail. And I just love the scheme too. The CN, the noodle logo, I think it's called. But it doesn't have the website on the bottom. So this is probably like probably an older scheme, because the newer scheme has the website underneath on the bottom. So this is somewhat of an older scheme from like maybe the 2000s. Until later, where they added the website scheme. So It's very nice. So I'll give you a close, head-on shot of it. Look at that. That's beautiful. That is amazing. So, anyways, very nice. So I'll show you the bottom of it. So you can see the bottom. Trucks are nicely done, and then there's the Walthers information on the fuel tank, everything. So, wow. So this is, I gotta say, this, even for a budget-friendly logo, this is actually very nice. I'm really hoping that, Walthers probably does another run of these. Like maybe, hopefully they do SD70 Max, like maybe BNSS, CSX. But I'm not sure if they do CSX, or they could do the as delivered, like the 700 series or the renumbered 4500s. But who knows? But because I really hope that Max they do like BNSF, CSX, Conrail, KCS, TFM, or all that, something like that, or the BN's Alaska Railroad. Who knows? But actually, very stunning locomotive, and I can't wait to run this locomotive with as foreign power or several of my other CN locomotives, or even my BC rails. So anyways, that's going to do for this little bit of my unboxing and a little bit of an overview of this locomotive, because I'll leave you guys a little bit of a run by of this in action. So, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright, have a good day everybody.